So, come to this job. Pipework keeps blocking up. It's gurgling a lot. Don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's like a log flume all the way through. Probably not going to be able to see in here, but and that goes all the way to the kitchen sink. So we're going to rip all this lot out. Look at that. And redo it and clip it all up properly so it doesn't sag anymore. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to start here. I actually think there's well, they said that there's a blockage in this pipe somewhere, so I'm probably about to get wet. Fun and games, eh? Right. I can't get my cutters in there tight enough. So I'm going to have to use a hacksaw blade. So here it goes. As bad as I thought. All that water backed up. Look at that. There goes the blockage. Fat and grease. Just going to cut it here, pull it out. Okay, that pipe is proper heavy. I think there's a blockage. Okay, so that's how bad this pipe is. all that has to come out. It's a bit better. Clean it up. Start fitting a new one. Some solvent weld. I always insert some in here first. Don't be shy with it. And then around the pipe. Put the fitting on, twist it until it gets tight. Do the same with the others. See every other joist I'm doing, putting spacers in, a bit of copper, just so that we get the right fall. So now we've come to the end. It's nice, didn't put enough glue on the other side, someone, and it comes straight out, which done me a favour. But now we've got to try and get a pipe in there. So the only way to do it is to get another coupling. You see that little rim that runs around it? You take that rim out and then we'll have a sliding coupling. So you can slide it on in place with the glue. Job done. I'll show you that now. So there you have it, taking that rim out, literally with a screwdriver. You literally just bang it down all the way around and get like the little bits out like that. And then, see if I can do this one-handed, literally, one step. Slides all the way on. Let's see if I can take it off. Let's see if I can prop it up. So, slides on, slides off, gets you out of trouble every time. So, take your rim out, and now you can pop your pipe in, cut it to size, slip it on. I'll show you that now. plugs in. As you can see, it's all clipped up now. Much neater job. Nice fall on it as well. Let's test it. So, I don't know if you can hear that. It's running beautifully. So that is job done. To come back to it because the pipe inside the wall had completely snapped off and it was leaking. So we're just redoing it. Happy days. That's it. All connected back up. Job done.